All right, so what is a contactor? So contactor has 3 poles. How does it work? That is the question, right? So I'm gonna leave this cover off for us to see. This is the arc shields in here. This is what distinguishes the arc under a heavy load. This guy's built for closer to 60 amps is what this one's built for. And it has a little more arcing that can happen in there, but that's what that cover is for. I'm gonna leave it off because I don't have a load on it. I just wanna show you how it works. The coil voltage on this unit itself, this contactor itself, is 120 volts. So I'm gonna verify that I have 120 volts. I've got 120 volts. So this is my neutral. This is my hot if I close the fuse. 120 volts, and I don't have it here yet. I'm gonna get it there. And all I can do here is read continuity here. So these are open. The moment I turn on 120 volts to the coil, this will pull down, and as you can see, it should close in my meter. So here we go. We're going to turn on 120 volts to this fuse, to the coil. Our neutral is from here to this side of the coil, and that's all it takes. Ready? Pulled it in. We have continuity. We have continuity across these, straight through. It's as simple as that. That's what it does. What voltage is the coil again? Is 120 volts. We should have 120 volts on the coil. 121 on the coil. When you remove power from the coil, the contactor lifts up. This would be considered a 3-pole, normally open, which is pretty standard. And then let's just jump onto this one real quick. This is a 20-volt battery and a 24-volt DC coil. So if we put our voltmeter on here, we read a coil resistance of 436 ohms. We don't have any voltage on it yet. Let's plug it in. Contactor pulled in. We should have 24 volts on A1 and A2. We have 20 volts, which makes sense, 20-volt battery. And the contactor is pulled in. This is what you would call a relay. It's the same thing. You put coil voltage on it, contacts pull down. You put coil voltage with 24 volts DC, and the relay chain turns on. Everything that's normally open is closed in. This one is identical, and this one is a 120 volt coil. Okay, these are called ice cube relays. This is the ice cube relay base. This is finger safe base. So remember, power to the coil. We'll close the contacts. Coil and contacts are totally separate. It's a magnet that pulls down when you energize the magnet on the coil. Hope this helps how you understand the basics. A coil could be rated for anything, and then the contacts need to be rated for whatever load you're pulling. So this is 80 amp contacts. You would want to have 80 amps or less running through it. There's also a voltage rating on it, whether it's 40 volts, 240 volts, 600 volts. It'll have a rating on what this is good for voltage wise and what the coil was rated for. Thanks for watching.